Welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find all your saved items on the Facebook app using your PC, especially with the latest update where things have slightly changed. If you've ever saved posts, videos, or links on Facebook and later struggled to find them again, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's walk through the updated steps together so you can access everything you've saved in just a few clicks. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Now select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed history of your actions, including posts you've liked, comments you've made, and more. Once you're inside the activity log, look for a section called Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to explore more categories related to your account activity. Now, scroll until you find Saved Items and Collections. Click on that and then select Your Saved Items. This is where Facebook stores everything you've saved, whether it's videos, posts, links, or even marketplace listings. From here, you can easily browse, organize, or revisit anything you've saved in the past. It's a really useful feature, especially if you save content often and want quick access later. And that's it. That's how you find all your saved items on Facebook using your PC with the latest update.